Hello again, welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with and Fresh Mommy. So in this episode, like we said, we are covering a couple of kitchen stuff, kitchen appliances, kitchen cooking utensils, and now we are going to do some different things in the kitchen. Fresh kids, I hope you are ready. Are you ready, fresh kids?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Alright, fresh bro, 11.
Bidhaa kavu katika gala.
Okay, bidhaa kavu katika gala means what?
Dry goods in the pantry.
Dry goods in the pantry. So this episode we are going to be covering dry goods in the pantry, which is bidhaa kavu katika gala. Bidhaa kavu katika gala. Alright, fresh bro Nane, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are those bidhaas ready? Alright.
Yeah.
What is unga? Unga is what?
Flour.
What is it?
Flour.
Flour. Good job. What is mafuta ya kupika?
Right here.
What is that?
Subbies.
What is that?
Cooking oil.
Cooking oil. Good job. What's mchele?
Rice.
Rice. What's mchele?
Rice.
Good job. What is maharagwe?
Beans.
Beans. Maharagwe is? Beans. What's maharagwe?
Beans.
Beans. Good job. What's kahawa? Kahawa. Coffee. What
Kahawa is brown is kawa. Brown is kahawia.
Kahawia. Alright, what is kahawa?
Coffee.
Coffee. Good job. What is asali?
Honey.
What's asali?
Honey.
Honey. Good job. Good job. What is chai?
Chai.
Inamwagika. Alright, what is chai?
Tea.
Tea. Good job. Good job. What is vitafunio?
Snackies.
Vitafunio is what?
Snacks.
Snacks. Good job. What is cacao?
Cocoa.
Cacao is?
Cocoa powder.
Nani anapenda cacao?
Cocoa.
Vizuri.
We're not done yet.
We all love our cacao. Alright, good job. So now we are going to do a quick review. Let's see whether we remember everything. What's unga?
Flour.
Good job. What is mafuta ya kupika?
Cooking oil.
What is mchele?
Rice.
What is maharagwe?
Beans.
What's kahawa?
Coffee.
What is asali?
Honey.
What is chai?
Tea.
What is vitafunio?
Snacks.
What's cacao?
Cocoa.
Beautiful. All right, now before we wrap this up, those were like 3 episodes of things that are in the kitchen, and again we will continue doing a few more things. There's still a bunch of things in the kitchen. So let's begin from the first of the 3 episodes. What is fridge?
Fridge.
Fridge. What is jiko?
Stove.
Sikuoni fresh brunanes. We cannot see you. What is kopo ya takataka?
Trash. My buddy.
Trash, garbage can or trash can. What is tanuri la miale?
Microwave.
What is sinki?
Sink.
What is machine ya kuosha vyombo?
Dishwasher.
What is it?
Dishwasher.
Machine ya kuosha vyombo is dishwasher. What is counter?
Counter.
What is gala? Storage. Beautiful. What is uma?
Fork.
What is kisu?
Knife.
What is kijiko?
Spoon.
Kikombe.
Cup.
Bakuli.
Bowl.
Sahani.
Plate.
Sufuria.
Pot.
Glasi.
Glass.
Kaango.
Pan.
Unga.
Flour.
Mafuta ya kupika.
Cooking oil.
Mchele.
Rice.
Maharagwe.
Beans.
Kahawa.
Coffee.
Asali.
Honey.
Chai.
Tea.
Vitafunio.
Snacks.
Cacao.
Cocoa.
Alright. Awesome. Thank you so much. Vijana, you've done a great job. Tano. Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you so much, fresh kids. Make sure you practice all those things that you've learned from the last 3 episodes so that you know a whole bunch of your stuff in the kitchen.
Yeah,
alright.
what she said.
Asanteni sana. Kwaheri.
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 Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.